Hey guys, let me show you what it's like to go on a hot air balloon ride here in Cappadocia. Good morning everyone, rise and shine. Today it's around 5:50 a.m. I believe, and I'm here waiting at the courtyard to be picked up for the hot air balloon ride. The pickup is supposed to happen, for me at least, at 6:10 a.m. They're making their rounds around the hotel, and then we're headed for the balloon after. So I have just been picked up. We arrived at around 6:05 a.m. So we've made it to the Royal Balloons headquarters, and here we're having some breakfast. So the breakfast is like a bunch of pastries and some cold sandwich as well, and there's also coffee and tea. So here's some examples. There's like some waffle, croissant, and another pastry roll that I got. And there was like a wrapper of cold sandwich, but I'm not a fan of cold sandwich, so I didn't get it. So we are now at the shuttle bus headed to the takeoff site. But they did give us a warning that we don't know yet if we have the clearance to take off. So we'll be finding out in around 15 minutes if it's a go or no go. I hope it's a go. So we are here at the takeoff site, and we have all these buses waiting for the decision of our fate for a hot air balloon today.
This is not good now. Last about 12 days ago we fly. Every day there is a bad weather in now. It is winter is coming. It is normal with the balloon. Now is also this is little windy. There is a simulation here. The simulation they said now it is just waiting. Okay. After 20 minutes we are waiting. After 20 minutes later simulation this is just checked. This is around. If the weather is good, the wind is quiet, we will try. Okay, we are just waiting now.
So we're still here at the waiting site. You can see that's like the balloon preparation area. They still haven't cancelled, that's a good sign, but we still don't know whether it's a go. So fingers crossed. So this is the bus that I'm on, bus number 3. Luckily they finally allowed us to like get off the bus, so at least we get to see some views because it kinda got brighter now. It was pitch black a while ago. And guys, I think this is a good sign. The crew people has come out of their car. So I think they're about to set up. They're setting up the balloon. This is so exciting. It's kind of sunrise now, but it's okay. As long as we fly, I'm happy. Guys, I'm so excited. This is gonna be my first hot air balloon ride, and I couldn't have picked a better place to do it for my first time. And talk about lucky. Like, they said they haven't been able to fly for 12 days straight, and this is the first time they've been flying because the weather is looking perfect now. Thank God, I'm so happy that we're about to do this now. Now they're inflating the hot air balloon. So excited to see everyone so excited. Yes, they've been waiting for this moment for 2 weeks. So many people got delayed for their balloon flight. Guys, so we are now riding the balloon. So excited.
There are two important. First one, always stay in the basket. Okay, there is no jumping. Second one, this is important. Landing position. End of the fly. If I set the landing position, please. This is in front of the balloon, and the balloon goes that way. We turn opposite side, looking here. Everybody turn, look this way. Bend your knees, hold dropped with 2 hands like this. Can I see your landing position, please?
Guys, we're flying.
Nice!
They said we are taking off from the Rose Valley, and there's so many balloons flying up at the same time. So exciting. the balloon situation is there's 4 sections to a balloon, and each section is a group of people, like 4 to 5 people per section. It's landing time.
Remember landing position?
So at the beginning they teach you how to do the landing position when you land, so you'll get to see it. Okay, no more landing position. You can land while standing up. Okay, landing position.
No, we don't need it. This is different level, different wind, different direction. We just up and down, we find the good wind and we will go to good direction. Today also, the height level, there is a fast wind. If we go to height level, I try about, this is about 340, this is 400 meters before here. The wind is also changing and we will go to that way, also there. But after this time, we don't know that this is the wind, this is for landing. Now this is okay, this is nice, safe landing area, also this is quiet wind. Maybe this is other side, maybe there is a fast wind. If the fast wind, also this is action. Also there is some child, also this is the risk. This is joke, this is not my first time, not my second time. It is my third time. About 15 years I am balloon pilot, I am experienced pilot.
Wow.
There are 2 ropes here, this is black and green one, just rotate the balloon. Left and right side, there is a rotator panel. Sometimes if I use that one, it goes very slowly. This is the rotator panel, use the rotator panels, and the basket is turning very slowly, left and right side. It is red and white, this is red line, this is open the parachute now. Look at the top now. This is top on this is parachute there. Red and white, sometimes I use the height level. That one I can use. This is slowly. That one, we use just the length. It goes first down. I will give you medallion next time you can fly. I have a driver license. Very good. Our balloonization now, this is best size for flight. We are now for 16 people, this is relaxed, this is good one. There are many companies use bigger balloon, 28, 30, 32 people. If they use a different company, like this one, 32 people, this balloon, this is life bus. Yeah, this is, if they use a different company, this is bigger balloon, little bit big compartment. This is just each compartment, just here 7, 8 people. 8 people also here. If you're waiting to hear the middle, there are many people, this is all around. See around, this is take a picture, this is very difficult. Landing position is also very important. Today, now, this is very soft landing. We coming here, also we kiss the ground, we land on the trailer. This is possible. Some days, in landing time, there is a fast wind. If the fast wind, we use the real landing position. For example, we coming that way again. This is fast wind, this is pushing the balloon. And we use ground about 20-30 meters. This is balloon is tip over. Today, there is no action. I am sorry. Maybe next time, okay? Yes, this is the one also, yes. Just in the morning, with the sunrise, before the sunrise. After this time, also this is dangerous for balloon. Yes, there is a fast wind, turbulence. Some days there is no clouds, there is a sunrise, also this is too hot, also dangerous to for balloon. Today, it's really good one. Some days, also, we use same takeoff area. Up and down, there is nothing. Very clear video, there is a sun, no cloud, but there is no wind. And takeoff and landing just 100 meters, 200 meters, this is too bad. Some days, there is a fast wind. We take off and don't use the valet, don't use the rock, this is the little height and going fast. About 20-30 minutes later, also fast landing somewhere. 4 months ago, I've been in Jordan. I am flying with the Jordan also. There is a big desert. This is huge rocks. This is very interesting area. In the last last year I've been in also, this is the Tanzania from Serengeti. This is the with the Africa I fly also there. Cappadocia, it is best area for balloon flight. There are many balloons today. I think 150 balloons today. This is full because everybody is waiting today. Yes. Also, this is some balloons now. Everybody is okay. Very good. If you fly also, this is in Africa, about 80% there is a fast landing. Sometimes this is, we use also in Africa, this is about 20-30 meters. This is ballonistic power. Yes. Also today, it is really good one. I am happy also now.
So we just got off the balloon. What an amazing experience. So grateful it happened today. And now it's time to toast with some champagne.
Before, this is thank you very much our crew. This is safe and best landing and for champagne. There are hard working also for you. Look tree!
Oh.
We have champagne juice if you want mimosa. You like champagne? This is juice time also for us.
Champagne, cheers.
What do you want?
Guys, I met a new friend here and surprisingly he's also from the Philippines. Hello. Cheers. He had such an awesome flight and also nice to meet a fellow Filipino in the same basket as me. Guys, I'm here with our pilot, Kaan. How long have you been flying hot air
About
balloons?
15 years. I am balloon pilot.
Okay. So how high did we go up today?
Today we try about 400 meter, 450 meter. It is nice. Good wind, also good direction.
Thank you so much.
We are lucky today.
Yeah, we are so lucky and so happy.
Maybe tomorrow cancel. We
I
don't
know.
know.
I just arrived yesterday, so lucky that today we're able to fly.
This is good.
Thank
really
you so
good.
much.
You're
You've been
welcome.
an
Thank
awesome
you.
pilot.
Thank you.
So they also provide a gift bag at the end of your trip. Here, there's like souvenir caps and a sticker. Guys, a hot air balloon in Cappadocia is truly a bucket list item to do in your lifetime. Please be sure to experience this. So beautiful. Such an amazing experience. Hey guys, so I just wanted to give a few details about my hot air balloon experience. So I booked with Royal Balloon directly instead of like through a third party like booking.com or Viator. So because November is their winter season, it's generally cheaper than if you go on peak time, which is summer. So my hot air balloon experience was €160. And what's good with Royal Balloon is for the €160, because of the winter like special, they actually upgrade you to the Queen Plus, which has some extra perks like less people, and I think you get some extra stuff too. So they also do the hotel pick up and drop off before and after the experience. As you can see it, you get like a souvenir bag, you get a champagne cheers after, you get the medallion as well. So it's been really nice, and I feel like from what I heard, Royal Balloon is one of the best, or if not the best, hot air balloon agency, so I highly recommend it. My overall experience has been really great, from the pickup to the organization of like where to go and what. The breakfast was okay, like it was nothing special, but at least you got something. I remember reading up other reviews on other hot air balloons that you don't get much for breakfast, but at least here they had cold sandwiches if you wanted something more substantial as well. Our pilot was really good, so he was explaining a lot of things while we were flying, pointing out like attractions that were flying over and stuff like that. And we were also going up and down, so one thing I highly recommend is asking to be put in a hot air balloon experience with the most experienced pilot, because the most experienced pilot know how to go up and down very close to the mountains and stuff like that, which is what we did. Especially in the beginning, we were climbing up very close to the valley. So if you have any more questions about my hot air balloon experience in Cappadocia, please let me know in the comments below. And in the meantime, please like, subscribe, and follow for more, and watch this next video right here.